The following video is for demonstration purposes only. See Rahal Radiant Heating Design for complete instructions on how to make Everlock connections using this tool. To make an Everlock fitting connection, the following tools are required: the VERSALOC compression tool with interchangeable compression jaws, a ratchet cutter or the row cutter tool, depending on pipe size, and an expander tool with expander heads. Open the Rowpex pipe expander arms so they are at least 90 degrees apart. Thread the appropriate expander head clockwise onto the expander tool and screw the head on fully until it stops. Inspect the expander head to ensure all segments are not broken or chipped. Move the expander arms back together so the arms are approximately parallel. Separate the VERSALOC arms. Install compression jaws. Make sure to insert pins in opposite directions. Press the release to fully close the VERSALOC tool. Inspect the row cutter blade for any damage. Using the row cutter, cut the Rowpex pipe to the desired length. The cut must be clean and square and must be free of burrs, nicks, and jagged ends. Select the proper size Everlock sleeve. The tapered end of the sleeve must face the fitting when installed. Slide the sleeve down the pipe at least 2 pipe diameters to avoid damaging the pipe or tool during expansion. Open the expander arms again approximately 120 degrees apart. Insert the expander head into the end of the pipe. Place the pipe all the way onto the expander head until it makes contact with the first step. With the expander tool inserted all the way into the pipe, close the expander arms until the arms are approximately parallel. Hold closed for approximately 5 seconds. Then, open the tool enough to rotate the expander head approximately 45 degrees inside the pipe. Repeat the expansion process. Then, open the tool and remove the expander head from the pipe. Before the pipe shrinks back to its original shape, insert the Everlock fitting into the expanded pipe so that the pipe is approximately 1/16 from the last raised rib on the fitting. If the fitting does not insert far enough, simply pull the fitting out and repeat the expansion process. Separate the VERSALOC tool arms so that the jaws are open as far as possible. Place the jaws onto the fitting with one jaw behind the Everlock sleeve and the other jaw behind the collar of the Everlock fitting. Once the jaws are firmly in place, begin to ratchet the tool arms toward each other. As the tool is ratcheted, the sleeve will slide up over the fitting. Continue to ratchet until the sleeve meets the collar of the fitting. When completed, separate the arms again and remove the tool from the fitting. Inspect the completed Everlock connection. The sleeve should close tightly against the collar of the fitting. A maximum gap of 30 thousandths is acceptable. If the gap is too large or there is misalignment, rotate the tool 90 to 180 degrees and repeat the compression steps. Once complete, the fitting is immediately ready for system pressure. Thank you for watching this video. For further information, visit www.rahal.com. The information contained herein is believed to be reliable, but no representations, guarantees, or warranties of any kind are made as to its accuracy, suitability for particular applications, or the results to be obtained therefrom. Before using, the user will determine suitability of the information for the user's intended use and shall assume all risk and liability in connection therewith.